Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to stitch together this long gown. It looks amazing. This is part 2. If you want to know how to cut out this amazing long gown, check out part 1. It's linked in the description. Now we're going to have 5 inches from there. This is the top part. And then we're going to mark on another 5 inches from that mark. This is for the plate that we're going to attach, so it looks nicer. And draw a straight line. Do the same to the other side. So on that line that we marked on, we're going to pinch it and hold it and fold it. And then we're going to stitch along that. So this is how it looks like on the front part, at the top. So we cut out a 4-inch border, like this. And we're going to cut it out to the length of this top part. So we're going to attach this onto this. So we're going to attach. So we're stitching from the middle outwards, so it looks nice. Now from the middle outwards on the other side. Do the same on the other side, but before you stitch the other side, fold it an inch and then stitch from the middle outwards. Now finish stitching the border. Now with that we're going to join in the bottom part. So flip it the other way round. And you're going to match it up like this, and then stitch at the very edge all the way round. Now we're going to attach the back part exactly the same. On the back part we're going to begin attaching the zip. So we folded it in half, and we're going to cut on the edge so it's split open so we can attach the zip. Now we've got 2 inches strips of fabric that we're going to attach along the cuts that we did on each side. Now that part we're going to fold it inwards. And then you're going to place the zip underneath that. Make sure the zip is open, and then you're going to stitch that. Then when we got to about halfway, we're going to close the zip and then stitch the rest. So we finished attaching the zip. Now we're going to join the two parts together. So first we're going to join the shoulders. Now on the neck we will have a 1.5 inch piece. And you're going to stitch it around the neck line. So we're going to fold it inwards and then fold it again at this side so it covers the inside, and then give a stitch to join that up. Now the part that we just stitched, we're going to fold it inwards and then stitch it. Next we're going to stitch the sleeve and the sleeve border at the end. So when attaching the sleeve you have to match it up, so the deep cut has to be at the front. Now we're going to stitch on the border at the end of our sleeve. So you put both of the fabric face to face on the right side, and then we're going to stitch. And we just folded it over, so we're flipping it over. And then we're going to stitch along this edge. Now on the other side, you're going to fold it 1/2 inch and then stitch from the middle outwards. So we have stitched the sides together, so it's a basic stitch all the way around, joining the sides, and we've done the fitting stitch as well. And we stitched the bottom part of the dress, so fold it in 1/2 inch, then stitched it. So here we have a simple, beautiful long gown. It looks really nice put together, and this is how it looks without the jacket and with the jacket. And this is what it looks like matched up with the front open jacket. I'll link that in the description for you guys. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!